Unplug refrigerator or disconnect power. Starting with the right-hand side door, remove the top hinge cover using 2 hinge cover screws. Note: do not remove locator screws. These screws will help you align the hinge when you replace the door. Push the hinge lever and pull it towards you to release. Remove and keep the hinge lever aside for replacing the doors later. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to lift the appliance door. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Lift the refrigerator door from the bottom hinge pin. The top hinge will come away with the door. Note: position your hands evenly to safely remove the door while lifting it up. Remove left-hand refrigerator door. All steps also apply to the left side door removal. Remove the top hinge cover using 2 hinge cover screws. Important: on models with water dispenser, the tubing and wiring for the water dispenser run through the left-hand door hinge, so they must be disconnected before removing the door. Disconnect the wiring plug located on top of the top hinge by pressing the latch to allow the connectors to disengage and pull the connectors apart from each other. Note: do not remove the green ground wire. It should remain attached to the door hinge. Water tubing connection style 1. Lift the clip holding the water lines to allow the water lines to be disconnected. The clip will remain in one water line to allow reconnecting the water line later. Note: the water dispenser tubing remains attached to the left-hand refrigerator door. Replace refrigerator doors and hinges. Replace the right-hand refrigerator door. Set the right-hand door onto the bottom hinge pin. Insert the top hinge pin into the open hole in the top of the refrigerator door. Put the hinge lever into the hinge. Push the hinge lever until it is secure. Make sure the hinge lever is locked. Install the top hinge cover using 2 hinge cover screws. Replace the left-hand refrigerator door. All steps also apply to the left side door replacement. Style 1. Insert the tubing firmly into the fitting until it stops. Close the clasp around the tubing. The clasp snaps into place between the fitting and the collar. Reconnect the electrical wiring. Push together the 2 sections of the wiring plug. You may hear a click and need to ensure the connection is secured. Install the top hinge cover using 2 hinge cover screws. Note: final steps. Completely tighten the internal screws. Replace both top hinge covers. Plug in and check the normal operations of your unit. Refer to your model's owner's manual, quick start guide, or scan the QR code on your refrigerator for additional information.